With Surefront, creating and sending line sheets or quotes to your wholesale and franchise partners is simple and easy. First, use Surefront's Smart Catalog to find and select the products that you want to send to your partner. Then, select which wholesale partner segment you want to send your quote to. Now, you can customize your quote with specific pricing, quantities, and attributes for your partner without altering the item details in the catalog. Now, just enter your partner's email and a message that you want them to receive. Your partner will get an email with a beautiful preview of your quote. And when your partner clicks on the email, it will drop them right into Surefront, even if they haven't signed up yet. Now they can see high-quality images, full product data, and message you directly with any requests about these products. Surefront also makes it easy for your partner to select the products they like and quickly place an order. Work like true business partners with Surefront.